Dear students, today we start the sector area and segment area. Areas of sector and segment of a circle. Now what is sector? What is segment? We want to discuss this. So first we consider sector. Sector means this is a circle. Center is O. OA, OB, these two are radius. This is radius, and this is an arc. This portion is called sector. Similarly, this portion also sector, because here also you get radius, and this arc. Now, this is small portion, this is big portion. So this small portion is called minor sector, and this whole portion is called major sector. Now what is sector? Our requirement is radius, two radius, and this is an arc, and this portion is called sector. This is small portion, this is called minor sector, and this is big portion, this is called major sector. So we can write OAB, OAPB is called the minor sector. OAPB, this portion, this radius, this arc, and this portion is called minor sector. And OAQB, this whole portion, this is called the major sector. So this is our sector. Sector, just clear sector. Sector means radius, these two radius, this arc, and this is the center of the circle, these two radius and arc. This portion is called minor sector, and this whole portion is major sector. Next we consider segment. Segment means this is a chord, but sector means radius. This is chord, AB is a chord, and this is an arc. This portion is called segment. But this is a small portion, this is called minor segment. And this whole portion is called major segment. Minor means less number, and major means large number. So this small portion is called minor segment, and this is called major segment. So APB is called the minor segment. APB is called the minor segment, and similarly here also you get this chord, and with this is major segment. AQB is called the major segment. AQB, this is called the major segment. So these are the segment, this is the sector. So this is these two for this figure, and these two for this figure, this. So APB is called, this portion is called minor segment, this is called major segment. So now we consider sector area. What is the sector area? So this area, this portion, this radius, this arc, this portion is, this is sector. So what is the area of this? If angle is theta, sector angle is theta, O is the center of the circle. So Now the formula is that if angle is theta, this radius is r, then we get area of a sector, area of the sector of angle theta. Now what is the formula? Area of the sector of angle theta. This formula is that theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta by 360 into pi r square. This is the formula. If sector angle is given, this radius is given, then area of this portion is theta by 360 pi r square. This is our sector area. Now, we get sector area. Now what is the arc length? APB, what is the arc length? So we get length of an arc, length of an arc of a sector, length of an arc of a sector of angle, length of an arc of a sector of angle theta. This equal to theta by 360 into twice pi r. This is the formula. Length of an arc of a sector of angle theta. This equal to theta by 360 into twice pi r. This angle we consider degree, in degree. Theta, these are measurement in degree. Now area of the segment, APB, this area means this we can write whole sector area minus area of the triangle OAB. This equal to area of the segment APB equal to area of the sector OAPB, area of a sector, area of the sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. So when you have to find area of this sector, this is area of the segment APB, this segment area, that means we consider this whole area minus area of this triangle. Whole area means this is called sector area minus area of the triangle. So we write area of the segment APB, area of the sector OAPB minus area of the triangle OAB. This is the formula. So we get this. So sector area we know theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle OAB. So this is the formula. theta by 360 pi r square minus area of triangle OAB. So we can easily find this area, this whole area. This is called major sector, this is called minor sector, this is called minor segment, this is called major segment. So area of the major sector OAQB, this area of the major sector OAQB, then we consider a whole area of a circle pi r square, whole area minus this area. Major sector, area of major sector, area of the major sector OAQB, this area equal to area of circle means pi r square minus this minor sector. Area pi r square minus area of the minor sector OAPB. So clear this one. Now what is this? So if we want to find major sector, then major sector means we consider whole area minus area of the minor sector. Whole area means pi r square and area of the minor sector means OAPB. This one. Again, area of the major segment AQB. Major segment AQB. When you consider segment, then we consider this chord AQB, then this equal to again pi r square whole area minus area of the minor segment APB, this portion we consider the whole area minus this area, then we get this is area of the major segment AQB. Major segment AQB means whole area pi r square minus minor segment, this minor segment. So these are the formula. Just you have to remember what is the value of theta given, what is the radius given. If radius given, theta given, the angle theta given, then ultimately we can find major segment, major sector, minor sector. So just dear students, if sector area given, just you have to write theta by 360 pi r square. Sector area, this is theta by 360 pi r square. At that time we write theta by 360 into pi r square. If sector area given, we write pi r square. If length of an arc of a sector angle theta, if length given, we write twice pi r. This is the difference. Area given, sector area given, we write pi r square, and length given, whose sector angle is given, then we write twice pi r. Again, minor segment, minor sector, major sector. If major sector given, just define minor sector. From minor sector, we whole triangle, whole circle minus minor sector. If we subtract, then we get this major sector. And similarly, we can find minor segment also, minor segment. So sector, major sector, minor sector is easy, but when you find this segment, so this will be, we have to find area of this triangle also. Then the process is long but not difficult. So dear students, just you have to remember this formula, what is segment, what is sector, what is sector area, what is arc length, whose sector angle is given. So sector area means theta by 360 into pi r square, and arc length means theta by 360 into twice pi r. Arc length means twice pi r multiplying, and area means pi r square. So these are very easy. So if you are feeling easy, then please like this video, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.